What's the dumbest idea you've ever had that actually worked? 1. When I was about 7 years old, I was playing in my backyard with those incredibly bouncy little balls, just bouncing them high off the house and letting them bounce randomly before trying to catch them. One time, I went for this huge throw off the wall, and it bounced crazily off various surfaces so fast I completely lost track of it. So my 7-year-old logic was to stand back in the same place and throw another ball the same way. I watched it bounce this way and that about 10 times before finally hitting a plant and coming to rest in a flower pot. I went over, pulled back the flowers, and sure enough, there were both balls lying there. 2. When I was younger, I got called into the principal's office because I drew a very detailed picture of something inappropriate. It was really good. The principal's office meeting happened about a week after I drew it, and my only defense was, I don't remember drawing anything like that. Do you happen to have the picture? It might help me remember if it really happened. They didn't have it, of course, because I had it, and since I didn't confess, they couldn't do anything. 3. When I was young and broke, I bought a sofa from a used furniture store. I had no way to take the sofa home, so I went to a used car lot a couple of blocks away and took a truck for a test drive.